Hello, in this episode, we are going to replace the headlight on the passenger side of a Grand Cherokee Jeep. Now, I have been told that you have to pull off the front bumper to do this. And the dealer, I have been told the dealer would charge you $300 to $350 to actually do that. I'm not going to pull off the front bumper. So hopefully this video will be helpful for you. If you're not a subscriber, just hit that button, become a subscriber right away. Let's begin. Well, the first thing you want to do, you want to pop the hood. You have a latch under here. Lift your hood. Make sure you turn your front wheel all the way to the left. The manufacturer left a hole here. You just turn it non-clockwise, and you're supposed to be able to stick your hand through there and change your bulb. Good luck. What we can do, if your hand is small enough, you can actually go right here. There's a cap right here. You can turn it non-clockwise, pull it out. But the size of my hands, I'm not going to be able to do that. Actually get to the bulb that way. And the bulb is right there. I want to show you a little trick here. There's a lever here. We just want to push that back, and we're just want to pull down on it and just pull it up by hand. No tools are needed for this. Push it back. This lever right here. There we go. Just want to pull it up out the way. Just going to move the ECM over. That's all you need. Now we have enough room to actually get back here. What you need is a good sized screwdriver. And what you're going to do, you're going to put your screwdriver up against the headlight housing. You're going to work both sides. Just walk around and you'll break it loose from the clip. Okay. Just pop it out, and this is what you have. And just replace your bulb. Change it. Okay, you want to make sure this slot right here, this hook right here goes into the hole. Put it right in that hole. Throw the new one back in. Okay, well, we got it back in. Oh boy, that was a job. Now we're going to put a cap back on. Let's go right over here. Just screw it right back in. Now we just want to put the ECM back on and just snap it back in place. Just make sure you got it in and just push it down. There you go. And we just make sure we have headlights. Of course, we have the left side. Now we have the passenger side. We're going to put our cover back on at our splash guard. And just make sure that's fastened. Well, I hope this video was helpful. That was my way of changing the headlight on the passenger side of a Grand Cherokee Jeep. I did not pull off the front bumper. Now, there are ways of doing things, and that's the way I did it. Take care. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell to let you know when I have a video to come out. And God bless.